Welcome back. In this video we're going to learn a couple more commands, so let me just type them in. So we're going to learn how to copy, how to move, and how to echo. So let's have a look at what these mean. So we have a DevOps file, as you can see, and if we were to move this file from its current location, so it's currently in the home, in Darius home. Let's say we want to move it, copy it into desktop. We want to copy it. We just want to make another copy, but in another location. So let's try that. So copy DevOps and where into desktop. So if we go into desktop, as you can see, now we have it there. So that's what copy does. CP, simple copy. All right, how about if we wanted to rename this file? Can we use copy to do that? Unfortunately we can't. We use a different command to do that, and that command basically does two things. So which is the mv command. You can use it to move, you can also use it to rename. So let's say we want to remove this file that we just put into desktop. What command are we going to use for that? Remember rm. So let's use, it's in desktop and the name of the file is DevOps. So if we wanted to remove that, we can just use rm, and now it's empty. How about if we wanted to move it from where it is right now, which is our home directory, we want to move it into desktop. I would say mv DevOps into desktop, and now we have it again here. But what that means is we no longer have it where it used to be. It's no longer there. It used to be here, it's no longer there, right? So but what if we wanted to rename this file from DevOps to something like Learning Linux? So we would say move, it's capital D, and by the way, Linux is very, very case sensitive. So if desktop is in capital D, if you did desktop, let's say we want to list it. This is just by the way, but I just wanted to quickly show you. You can see it says cannot access desktop, no such file or directory, because it's very case sensitive. If we change to it to capital D, we are able to see it. Alright, so back to what we wanted to do. We wanted to rename this file, so that would be mv desktop DevOps, and what do we want to name it to? We want to name it to Learning Linux. So we have to specify the name of the folder again, and then the name of what we want to, the new name, so which is learning underscore Linux. And as you can see on the file system itself, it's been renamed. If we did an ls on desktop, you can see it has now been renamed. So there you have it. That's how to copy, and that's how to rename, and that's how to move files. That's all I wanted to do in this video. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.